What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. I am super excited today because we will be discussing how to market yourself. This is one of my frequently asked questions, so I'm super duper excited for this video. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Number one, you would need your introduction video and you would need a great bio that goes with it. But today we will only be covering your introduction video. Let's speak about your introduction video. When you are doing or when you are creating your introduction video, it is very important for you to check the following things. First of all, we would have to speak about the background. How is your background? If you are teaching kids, your background would be more fun and more creative, and you would have maybe some rewards or whatever, something cute, anything cute, but it needs to be in line with your teaching. So for example, you could have a beautiful sun over here, or you could have a cloud over here, you could have the date over here, you could have the rewards over here. So that is what you could have when you're having kids. But if you are having adults, I would suggest or I would advise that you use a plain white background, okay? It needs to be clear, it needs to be very presentable. Number two, you need to dress professionally. Okay, when I say professionally, when you are teaching kids, you can have a nice, comfortable shirt, but it always needs to be over your shoulders. Let's try not have anything that is open. So maybe if you wear a shirt like this, it would be very good for kids, or you could even wear a nice t-shirt with your name or your logo or whatever you would like. But it needs to be presentable because when those parents see you, they want to see a great, structured, professional teacher. If you have adults, perhaps, you could dress up a little more. Of course, we are online teachers, so from the waist down, it doesn't matter how you are dressed, but from the waist up, you need to be dressed professionally. So when you are teaching adults, you can wear a nice little shirt. I would say that this would be all right to teach adults too, as long as you are covered up. So do dress professionally. What I also suggest is that you try and wear white in your introduction videos because it just gives that clean effect. So do try and wear white. And for the guys, when they are wearing a nice white shirt with a nice black blazer and a nice tie, that is how you could make a good impression with regards to the attire that you wear. Number three, you have to record your video in landscape mode. You cannot record your video in portrait mode, as in portrait mode, it doesn't show everything as clear as it would in landscape mode. So most platforms accept your video only if it is in landscape mode. So do keep that in mind. Then we have number four. Number four is you need to exaggerate. And when I am saying exaggerate, for example, if I done my introduction video and I said, "Hello, my name is Teacher Robin. Welcome to my classroom." No, who wants to sign up a teacher that isn't fun and vibrant? So your introduction video needs to be exaggerated. "Hello, my name is Teacher Robin. What's your name?" Okay, so that would be an exaggeration. Okay, so that is how you guys need to exaggerate in your videos, show your personality, be who you are, because if you are who you are, it shows through that video. Number five, pronunciation. So this is very vital because each and every school or platform that you apply to would actually sit and listen to your pronunciation. What I mean by that is They either want a British accent or they want an American accent. So you need to be very careful how you pronounce your words and articulate your words. For example, if you say, this is red, okay, that is not how they would like for you to pronounce your words. They would like it to be, this is red. Okay, so you need to change your pronunciation to make it sound more British or American. They don't say this is milk. No, not this is milk. This is milk. Milk. Could you hear that? Milk. Okay, so you need to go back and you need to study and practice your pronunciation and the way you articulate your words. Number 6, lighting. Lighting is very, very important for your introduction video. I want to show you guys, for example, this is how my lighting is currently. So now I want to show you guys what my lighting would be if I switched off all my lights. So this would be with no lighting. Can you guys see the difference? This would be the difference if you do not use the lighting. Number 7, you have to showcase your personality. You have about 1 minute to show the parents or the students what you are capable of doing and what type of teacher you are. So show them your personality. Be out there. Be you. Be yourself. Do not be afraid or do not be shy in your videos. Even if you are a shy person, do not be shy in your video. They should not be seeing that. Number 8, TPR. The use of TPR in English teaching is very important. When I speak about using TPRs, what I mean is that you need to use actions when you are teaching or when you are speaking or when you are creating your video. For example, this would be a TPR. Hello, my name is Teacher Robin. What's your name? Okay, so that would be a TPR so that the student would know that it's time for him to speak. Or when I refer to this, he would know that is his name. So you always have to use TPR. For example, apple. I am eating an apple. Okay, I am eating an apple. I am drinking some milk. I am drinking some milk. That would be your TPR. So do keep in mind that when creating your kids' video, you need to use TPR. When you are creating an adult intro video, you don't need to use as much TPR. Number 9, don't forget that you are selling your lesson via your introduction video. So, brag about yourself. Speak about your qualifications. Speak about what you love doing in your free time. Speak about your traveling or your books that you love reading. Let them get to know you in that short amount of time that you have your video. And then what is also crucial is do not forget that you are speaking to your client. Okay, so remember that at the end of that video, your client is there or your student is there. So speak to them. Let them know that they are there. Number 10, you have to write a script. When you are doing your introduction video, it is very crucial for you to have a script to practice or rehearse before actually going in and doing your introduction video. Because you can't just go in your introduction video and just speak a whole bunch of nonsense. No, we cannot do that. We need a structure. You need to know, oh, this is going to be my introduction in my video. Oh, this is going to be me speaking about my qualifications. And when I'm done speaking about my qualifications, I'm going to move on and speak about the student, or what I can give the student, or what I can offer the student. And then when I'm done, it would be my outro where I would say goodbye and I can't wait to see them in my lesson. So you have to have a script to see how the structure of your video will be, and that just makes you more comfortable when you go in your video. Number 11, I suggest that you record your introduction video in the area that you will be teaching. You don't have to record in the area that you would be teaching, but I would suggest that you do, because that already gives the parent or the student an idea of how your lesson would be. So yeah, I do suggest that you record in that specific area where you will be teaching. Number 12. The length of your video. We don't want your video too short or too long. So I would suggest that maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes long would be a good video. We don't want to have too little information and then the student doesn't know a lot about you, and we don't want to have too much information where the student gets bored and runs away. So I would suggest 1 to 2 minutes for an introduction video would be good. Last but not least, number 13, you have to edit your videos. You have to edit your videos. You cannot send an introduction video that has not been edited. If you have no editing experience, I suggest that you try and get some. If you guys would like to see a video on how I do my editing, please comment down below and I'll definitely show you guys a video. But you need to edit your videos. You need to make your videos different so that your students can remain watching. Okay, so if your introduction video is boring, they're just going to swipe to the next teacher. And if they find a teacher that has nice, fun, creative imagery and slides and effects and animations, they will definitely be more interested in that teacher. So you need to try and edit your videos, even if it's only a couple of edits. If you guys would like to see that video, comment down below. But I would like for you guys to stay tuned for next week, because I will be releasing my next video on how to go about using PayPal. So stay tuned and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye for now.